Hello and welcome to the Great North Gardener. Here you can find help in starting and creating a garden for your home. Today we're diving into a topic perfect for northern gardeners. We don't always get loads of sunshine, do we? But you can still have a thriving veggie garden. Let's explore 12 shade-tolerant vegetables. Get ready to discover some tasty veggies for shady spots. Whether you're seasoned or just starting, this one's for you. Let's get growing. First up, we've got the mighty spinach. This leafy green thrives in partial shade. It's packed with nutrients, vitamins, minerals, the whole shebang. Toss it in salads, smoothies, or wilt it for a tasty side dish. Spinach deserves a prime spot in your shade garden. Next up, let's talk about lettuce. This one's a classic for a reason. Lettuce actually prefers cooler temperatures and shaded areas, making it an ideal choice for northern gardens. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a good salad? With lettuce, you can create all sorts of delicious and refreshing meals. From crisp romaine to tender butter lettuce, there's a variety out there for everyone. So ditch the supermarket salads and grow your own. Your taste buds will thank you. Now let's talk about a superfood that can handle some shade: kale. This leafy green is known for its hardiness and ability to thrive in a variety of conditions, including those shadier spots. Kale is like the superhero of the vegetable world. It's packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that are great for your health. Plus, it's super versatile in the kitchen. You can use it in salads, smoothies, soups, or even bake it into crispy chips. With kale in your shade garden, you'll be saying Kale Yeah to delicious and nutritious meals. Chapter 4. Swiss chard, the colourful shade lover. Add a splash of colour to your shade garden with Swiss chard. This vibrant veggie prefers shade during the hottest parts of the day. Its stalks come in a rainbow of colours. It's like having a work of art in your garden. Swiss chard is delicious sautéed, steamed or grilled. A versatile and beautiful addition to any shade garden. Chapter 5. Arugula, the peppery shade dweller. If you're a fan of bold flavours, then arugula is the shade-tolerant veggie for you. This leafy green has a distinct peppery flavour that adds a real kick to salads, sandwiches and pizzas. And the best part? Arugula actually thrives in partial shade, making it perfect for those spots in your garden that don't get a ton of direct sunlight. It's a fast-growing crop, so you'll be able to enjoy its peppery goodness in no time. Arugula is a must-have for any shade garden looking to add a bit of zing. Chapter 6. Beets rooting for shade. Don't forget about root vegetables when it comes to shade gardening. Beets are a great example of a root veggie that can handle some shade and still produce a bountiful harvest. And here's a bonus: you can eat both the roots and the greens. Beetroots are delicious roasted, pickled, or even used to make a vibrant dip. The greens are packed with nutrients and can be sautéed or added to salads. Beets are a versatile and delicious addition to any shade garden. Chapter 7. Carrots, seeing orange, even in the shade. Believe it or not, carrots can actually tolerate some shade. While they do best with at least 4 hours of direct sunlight, they can still produce a decent crop in partially shaded areas. And let's be real, carrots are a kitchen staple. They're incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed raw, roasted, juiced, or used in countless recipes. From classic carrot cake to savoury stews, the possibilities are endless. So don't be afraid to give carrots a try in your shade garden. Chapter 8. Broccoli branching out into the shade. Broccoli is another fantastic vegetable that can handle some shade. While it prefers full sun, it can still produce large, healthy heads in partially shaded areas, especially in warmer climates. And we all know broccoli is a nutritional powerhouse. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making it a superfood in disguise. You can enjoy broccoli raw with dips, roast it to perfection, or add it to stir-fries and pasta dishes. Broccoli is a versatile and healthy addition to any shade garden. Chapter 9. Cauliflower, the shade-loving cousin. Just like its cousin broccoli, cauliflower is another cruciferous veggie that can tolerate some shade. It's a bit more forgiving than broccoli and can handle slightly shadier conditions. And cauliflower is having a real moment in the culinary world. It's incredibly versatile and can be used in everything from pizza crusts to rice substitutes and even mashed potatoes. It's a low-carb dieter's dream, So if you're looking for a healthy and trendy veggie to grow in your shade garden, cauliflower is a great option. Chapter 10. Peas. Finding peace in the shade. Peas are a cool season crop that actually prefer some shade, especially during the hottest parts of the day. They thrive in cooler temperatures and can even handle a light frost. And peas are a delicious and nutritious addition to any meal. They're a great source of protein, fiber, and vitamins. You can enjoy them fresh, frozen, or added to stir-fries, soups, and salads. Peas are a versatile and easy-to-grow veggie that will definitely find peace in your shade garden. Chapter 11. Radishes. Adding spice to the shade. Radishes are another root vegetable that can handle some shade. They actually prefer partial shade, especially in warmer climates, as it helps them grow more slowly and develop a less intense flavor. And radishes are known for their peppery bite. They add a delicious crunch and a bit of spice to salads, sandwiches, and tacos. Plus, they're incredibly easy to grow and mature quickly, so you'll be enjoying their spicy goodness in no time. Radishes are a must-have for any shade garden looking to add a bit of zing. Chapter 12. Green onions. Scaling new heights, even in the shade. Last but not least, we've got green onions. These versatile veggies are surprisingly shade-tolerant and can handle even the shadiest spots in your garden, and green onions are a kitchen staple. They add a delicious oniony flavor to just about anything. You can use them to garnish soups, salads, and sandwiches, or chop them up and add them to dips, sauces, and stir-fries. Green onions are a must-have for any gardener, whether you've got full sun or mostly shade. So there you have it, 12 shade-tolerant vegetables that you can grow in northern climates. Don't let a little lack of sunshine stop you from having a thriving and delicious vegetable garden. With a little planning and these shade-loving veggies, you'll be enjoying fresh, homegrown produce all season long. Tell us what you think in the comments and like and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!